Users input node and link data, specifying attributes like node coordinates, link directions, speed limits, and lane numbers. For standard intersections, the network is constructed automatically, producing well-aligned intersections. However, with complex intersections, such as the one labeled 5 here, where links intersect, users can manually adjust these configurations to avoid conflicts. Let's look at a demo of this process. As shown here, the platform allows users to zoom in on any section of the network to check if it's satisfactory. If changes are needed, users can modify intersections by drawing polygons, correcting link paths as needed. Once complete, the platform confirms the adjustments, and users can proceed with additional modifications if desired. This final preview shows the updated network layout, with links now properly aligned and intersections resolved.